Welcome to Stuck on an Island. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we're always smiling. So, boom. May I take over today? I'm gonna do a little breakfast thing because right now we're in such a state of panic where sometimes we have to take control and be the man. So right now, me, Keanu, I'm gonna take over the breakfast. Yeah, so go and relax, cuz. Yeah. Drink a beer, drink some water, and I'm gonna get some breakfast on that plate, fam. Your first go at it. You that down.
Plug in?
Yeah.
That's strange. Yes, Monka, go help Keanu start the fire. All I get is a Keanu.
No clue.
Eh?
No clue.
You lose track of time.
Now guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna be doing something really simple. I got the chicken from previous video. We're gonna be cutting it very small. I'm gonna be doing a dinner wrap with the roti and some seasoning, got some onions, pepper, and yeah. So that will just be the topping or the body of the wrap. So gonna get that cut into some smaller pieces. Still have to say that this chicken, that flesh is right good. It's gonna be a good wrap. Good.
I'm almost certain somebody in the comments is saying, yo, what if a chicken wash with?
So I have went, and for me personally, I don't really like to be eating any sandwich and there's any bones in it. So I went and I took out all the bones, out of the chicken breast, and now we're just left with the meat. So now I'm going to be transporting the meat that's left into a storage container. I'm going to chop up some nicely fine seasoning to go with that. You guys know that nothing we have that is of any meat kind will not be wasted. So we'll give it to her here. When Mocha wakes up, she will get them. So, due to this whole situation, we're not going to be wasting no composition. So we have these left over that we're using. I'm going to be cutting them up real fine because I don't really want no big chunks of them in the wrap. So now I have all three of my primary seasoning sliced and diced in smaller portions. So first I'll be cooking up the garlic first, and then caramelize the onions, and then pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper. And that will be it for the foundation of the wrap. So I'm gonna make that heat up for a minute, and I'm gonna put some light oils, and yeah, that'll be it for the heating process. So the pot is not a nice temperature that I want to put here, but coconut oil. I like coconut oil because it gives a nice taste. I'm not really using a lot, I just want a little bit. That looks like a teaspoon and a half, or I just let that be a little bit of a base for now. I left that for about 30 seconds, so now I'm just going to be doing a quick little garlic test. Not too hot because I don't want the garlic to burn.
Alright guys, so as my cousin is preparing some, I'm just gonna make some old-fashioned lemonade. So I have some limes here, 3 limes. I think that should be okay. If not, I still have 1 more. Some persons do massage the limes, but these feel soft enough. So usually if the lime's not soft, you give it like a massage. God, I wish someone was massaging me right now. Cut the limes. And for me, I always just remove the seeds because I don't have time to be dealing with those, or at least too much of them. It's kind of cool when I see like 1 or 2 seeds in a lemonade. It kind of makes me know that yeah, this is a fresh squeezed lemonade and not any, you know, manufacturer type thing. Of course, now we have some brown sugar. Everybody uses different kinds of sugars. For me, I don't know. I think brown sugar is just so much more traditional. I mean, it doesn't make your lemonade look the most fancy because it's a darker kind of lemonade, but I don't really care. But drop in the comments what sugar you guys use. If you guys use you know, brown or white, it don't matter for me still. But I think I prefer brown just based off nostalgia. When I was a kid, I used to make lemonade. You know, or you never have any lemons, you only had sugar and water. That's how we did it. So I don't know how much lemonade, well, I've used all my limes basically. So I'm not gonna overdo it. How I try to get my lemonade is mostly not too sour, not too sweet. I just like it in between, maybe a little bit more on the sweeter side than the limes. So I'm gonna keep doing that until I get it how I want it. Alright guys, and that's basically the end result of my lemonade. There's no seeds in there. I took no, what's up? A little one there. Get out of here. Alright, so basically you can see the little pulps in there. That's how I like it. You know that it's definitely a fresh lemonade drink, not the generic. So yeah, I did my part. Ready for my breakfast.
So I'll put some more coconut oil in the pot for the chicken. The pot is already hot. I'll just grab my chicken and place it right in. Gonna marry onions and the chicken together. Caramelize. And don't think I forgot my Scotch bonnet peppers. So I think this is enough of what I'm trying to get. I'm just gonna put it in my storage container right here. Oh, it smells good.
That smells good.
So this is gonna be the roll. So all I want to do is just get it a little bit toasty. Not too much, just toasted. I want to use the the previous oil that has already been in the pot and just work it around, absorb, turn it over, work it around, absorb, and that will be it. So what I want to do is put it to one side and then roll. Instead of putting it in the middle and then blah blah blah, so put it on one side and then roll. So this is for my cousin. It might look wonky right now, but the taste won't be wonky. I can tell you that.
Yes, sir.
Nothing will be wasted. Be sure that you hold it together on both ends and roll. Tuck it up.
Alright, so I'm a huge food critic. I'm low worst. So I'm going to be brutally honest. So I think with this, it definitely is gonna need like some kind of sauce variation. So we have some of the sorrel jelly from yesterday. I'm gonna taste the chicken first. Okay. All in all, it's a pretty good dish. I always tell people, because my cousin was like, yo, you can't cook or whatever. I personally think that everybody can cook. Well, not everybody, but most persons can put something together. This was pretty well put together. Just some feedback, especially when you use leftover chicken. So when we did chicken breast yesterday, it was tender and juicy, but it's chicken breast. After a while, it's going to lose that juiciness, especially if you saute it back and you try to put it into a wrap. To add some wetness, it's good to like have like a sauce, especially because what happens is, you know, with the roti itself is already a little bit dry with these beans or whatever the case is. So when you have like a sauce, I mean, this is a great sauce on the outside, but if you have like a sauce on the inside to make it a bit wetter, then it's gonna make it you know, an even more well composed dish. But apart from that though, the cheese inside was really good. I can taste the crispiness from the sauteed onions is good as well. Yeah. Alright, so my cousin's gonna try this dish, his own dish. I want you to be critical of it. If you disagree with anything that I said, make them know. I won't mind. Just tell them exactly what you think.
I understand what you mean.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's always good to always have a nice sauce behind it.
Yeah.
Woo! I'm sorry, guys.
But apart from that though, what are the good points of the dish? Like what points of the dish do you like?
The taste is there. The variation is there. The only thing missing, in my opinion, is a consistent sauce within the chicken.
Yeah, and this is not even expert advice. If you look at like tacos, like Taco Bell or whatever is in there is always like fresh. So like fresh tomatoes which have some wetness towards it, or some mayo sauce type of thing that's gonna make it like, you know. But apart from that though, it's really good. Good flavor, and it's always good when, me personally, I like when people cook for me. My cousin's making me another wrap with some sauce on the inside. It's gonna be great. Some whole cups so you can get some of that juice. May that go out to the and put it.
That's refreshing, man.
Alright, so my cousin made me another one of these. It's pretty hot. This one actually tastes way better because especially like the sauce in the inside and it melts out. So good.